In this video, I'm going to show you how to move an object to the origin point. Moving objects precisely to the origin can be essential for projects that require accurate positioning and alignment. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Relax and follow along. To begin, first we go to your layout section. Then select the object you want to reposition at the origin point. Make sure you choose the correct object, as we will move it entirely to a new location in your design space. Click directly on the object. You'll see it become highlighted, indicating it's ready for modification. Once your object is selected, you need to start the Move command. Type Move, or simply the letter M, into the command line and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD that you want to relocate your selected object. The command line is a powerful tool in AutoCAD that allows for precise input and quick commands, so using it can speed up your workflow. After activating the Move command, AutoCAD will ask you to select a base point. This is a critical step because the base point serves as your reference for movement. Use your mouse to click on the point on the object that you want to use as your reference. Choosing the right base point affects how naturally the object will relocate to the new position, so take a moment to decide which point makes the most sense for your project. With the base point selected, it's time to enter the coordinates that tell AutoCAD where to move your object. Since we want to move the object to the origin point, type 0, 0, representing the x and y coordinates. Typing 0 for both values places your object exactly at the center of the workspace, where the two coordinate axes intersect. This is especially useful for resetting a design or ensuring it aligns precisely with other elements also located at the origin. And just like that, by pressing Enter, your object is instantly moved to the origin point. With these simple steps, you now know how to efficiently move objects in AutoCAD, which will greatly improve your ability to manage and organize your drawing projects. Remember, aligning objects accurately is key, especially in complex designs and models, making this skill an essential part of your AutoCAD toolkit. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.